Bam! Today, day 20. It's a test. Okay? This is a test for week 3. Pause this video now and prepare your notebook or paper and pen. Then take a test. These vocabularies. Please check your Japanese level and test out of 10. What's your score? Let me know in the comment. Okay? Pause now. Wow. Whew. Okay, everyone. Let's go. The answer. Station 3, 2, 1. Eki. This is a eki. Eki. School 3, 2, 1. 学校 学校 OK 3番カーおーファ車車4番 train 3, 2, 1電車電車電車 OK サニー晴れ晴れ晴れ OK はんレインは雨雨7 hot 暑い暑い8 cold は寒い寒い9 buy oh there's a kanji little bit you can see 買う買う OK last one meat 3, 2, 1 会う会う会う OK Please let me know your score out of 10 in the comment. I will read your score, okay? Thank you for watching. Arigato. Tomorrow you will learn some Japanese phrases with using these vocabularies on week 3. Okay? Arigato. Let's learn for 30 days with me every day. ありがとう。またね。わ。